Umkhakha wetekuvakasha kwaMhlanga ungahle ulahlekelwe. Lokhu kulandzela tindzaba tekuthi tigebengu tingene ekhaya lamake Mahlangu lokukabuya kusabise tivakashi. Lokhu kungeta kuloku khathateka levele kukhona kulelive mayelana nebugebengu. Make Mahlangu limele ebusweni ngemuva kokushaya ngilesigebengu.
Can confirm that the case of house robbery has been opened after Dr. Was attacked on Saturday at around 1500 hours. What transpired is that she was about to sleep during that particular time, and then she was locking the doors and closing the windows. Unfortunately, in that particular process, somebody suspect attacked her, punched her on the face, and tightened her hands. Then from there, she lost consciousness.
Njengoba luphenyo lusachubeka umkhandlu wetekuvakasha uxwayise ngekuthi lokhu kulilimata kakhulu ligama la kuleli letekuvakasha. Umsebenzi waMahlangu he abantu bakuleli nebangaphandle lokusho ukuthi lokhu kuyangeta kutekuvakasha.
The people along that area who benefit from tourists, be it local tourists or international tourists that are going to that area. People buy from the shops around the area. They buy from people that are selling, on the streets. They go to the museum. They contribute. That money circulates within the economy. So it's very important that we keep in mind that this type of things does hurt our economy, does hurt our brand.
Chivenga uthemba ukuthi kubalulekile kugcina lokukhona njengoba Mahlangu enta lokukhulu.